Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Lydsto Robotic Pool Cleaner. This is the P1 Max. This is a really cool robotic vacuum cleaner. It not only vacuums, it also cleans. It has rubber and bristle rollers that work to really clean the surface of your pool, and not just the bottom of your pool. It will also climb walls and clean the walls and the water line. And it also vacuums up all the stuff off the pool, and it is self-charging. It is completely cordless. It does its thing, and then it goes back to a base, and you've got your base on the side of your pool that it hooks into to recharge, and then you're ready to go the next day. So a really awesome product by Lydsto. So let's unbox this beast of a robotic vacuum pool cleaner so we can see everything that comes in the box. All right, so we are going to open this box up and take this off. You have all your components in here, as you can see. And I'm going to move this back and out of the way so we can take these out one by one. Right here. I believe this is going to be the docking. So this is the charging dock apparatus here. This goes on your deck. This leans over your coping. And then this is what it will dock into in order to recharge itself after it's done cleaning. And in here, you're gonna have different pieces. This is the remote control, because you can control this by remote control. You can also control it with an app. They have an app that you can use to control it. You've got your various cords. Obviously, this has to connect to power. So this is the cord that is going to connect to this to give it power. You've got your extension cord if you need it for the robot. If you're deeper, you've got your pad. This goes on. This is what you're going to use when you attach this. This is a pad that you use to attach that, and then also the screws, because you do need to screw this into your deck in order for it to stay put, in order to be used. And then you have the floater, which goes on the cord attached to the robot, and you'll see that in a second. And then you have your instruction manual in there. All right, here we have, I'm going to call this the brains. This is the cool little floater that you'll see there, and this is what attaches to the cord that then attaches to the robot. This stays on the surface of the water and stays attached to the robot, and this sort of guides it, and this is what goes back and docks into the charging dock in order to charge and pass power onto the robot. And here we're going to have the robot itself, just the final piece. Very beautiful looking robot, if I do say so myself. It's got this nice color to it, and I'm just going to go over just the basics of it. You've got this cord that goes through here. This is the cord that then attaches to this, and so this stays afloat and helps guide and gets it back to charging. You've got your two compartments here and here, and then inside here you've got your filter baskets that's collecting all the debris as it's running. Again, two of those baskets, because two collectors. You've got your on-off switch, you've got your ejection here, you've got your handle here, which you use to carry it or to pull it out of the water. And then just a quick look on the bottom here, you can see you've got these, not only these rubber wheels, which are going to help actually clean your pool, but you've also got this felt one here, and they're not felt one, but this brush one here in the bottom. So these are all rotating, this is rotating, and this is rotating. So it's going to clean your pool really well. And you've got your two places. These are the vacuum slots that are going to be sucking in all the debris that's in your pool and collecting inside. And then of course you got your tracks here that are going to help navigate around your pool. A really cool looking unit. Really, yeah, really awesome. looking robot vacuum, but also looks like it's going to work really, really well. And this is everything that comes in the box. So you can see that's everything that comes in the box for the Lydsto Robotic Pool Cleaner P1 Max. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, stay tuned. I will be doing a full demo and review of this robot in action very soon. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.